Hey, what's up you guys, it's Layla Ray, and in today's video I'm going to show you one of my favorite summer go-to hairstyles. With this hairstyle in particular, it's just easy, messy, but I love that look, and it's definitely what I do in between washes. This look we are going to be using the TO112 Dry Texture Spray. Like I mentioned, this is like the perfect product to use in between washes because it takes away any oils from your hair and it makes it seem like, you know, your hair is just like fresh out the shower. So I'm just gonna give it a little shake and then we're gonna just spray pretty much all over our hair. But I'm gonna focus more on the root because that's where I get a bit more oily. And I also like getting it like in between. Focusing it in like the front area and giving it a little shake just because I like to spread the product. As for texture, I mean it's pretty like light and gritty. It reminds me of like, what's that word? It reminds me of like beachy hair, and I love beachy hair. Also gonna add a little bit on the bottom. So now with this look, I'm just going to grab a scarf and I'm going to wrap it along my head. So once I feel it's secure and tight, I'm just going to twist like the outer parts and then just comb it under and then tie it below. And we are done!